Hey, this is Morgan Titus, sales manager of the Greenville office for America's Home Place. We're here at somebody's house and we're just here to point out a couple quick things about the porch. For the porch, there's lots of different options. There's things like treated decking, which is what you see here. This is all treated decking, which is a fantastic product, especially if it's covered by a roof. It lasts a long time that way. You can also do concrete decking, which isn't individual deck boards or anything like that. We just call it concrete decking, but it's a smooth concrete surface. That's another option for the deck. There's also materials like composite materials like Trex brand decking. That's another option. Here you also see different types of railing. Right here in front of us is treated rails with black metal pickets, something that we commonly see here in South Carolina. You can also do things like painted railings with painted pickets, or even cedar railing if you'd like to do something like that. It's very flexible, and really it really leans heavily on what you're looking for in the design of your house. These customers are going for a slightly modern farmhouse, and they've asked to leave all this treated so they can stain it later. After they move in, they're going to go for a darker color. There's lots of different options for the porch. You can do a lot of different things, and we're happy to help you figure out what's best for you. First step of that is looking at different house plans on our website. You can do that at americashomeplace.com. You can also use the same website to reach out to us. All the contact information is there. So we'd love to hear from you again, especially as we get going figuring out what's best for you with your house.